one of them is a pretty straightforward task of tidying up the hydrangea. So you can leave it as it is, but I find that you'll end up probably being frustrated about the mess that you get. So I'll just make my way through it and just deadheading and getting rid of these blooms. And it was a really good bloom that we had this year. Say, it doesn't take long, but it's a job that's worth doing in advance of the blooms getting tatty and full of decay, and then you'll end up thinking, oh, I should have got rid of that when it was still attached. Right, so we've cleared the blooms, and what this does allow you to do is have a look at what the shape of the plant is like, and it's quite a good shape actually. Might just try and get more of a round look to it, and I'm going to get rid of this middle stem here just to preempt growth on the outside and improve air circulation. And obviously some of the leaves will need clearing up. There's a little bit of moss around it that I suppose it might not do a great deal of harm if you leave it, but I'm going to tidy it up and we'll have a look at it when it's done. Right, done bulk of the work, and could probably leave this as it is, but if you want to tinker with it a little bit more, then there might be the odd branch that's crossing that you want to get rid of, and it's not too dissimilar to the treatment of a lot of plants when you prune them